Powerline contractor that does new electrical construction maintenance, storm restoration, major underground voltages from 60 volt to 345 kV, turnkey service from engineering to light switch. We can do everything: transformer replacements, industrial power lines, hot work including rear lot easement, climbing and hotstick capabilities. We offer 24-hour, radio dispatched emergency service. Aggressive on the job or off, always willing to go the extra mile to make sure excellence is the final product. 30 years in the industry with a massive amount of knowledge of the trade as well as a safety record to back it up.